Hey, welcome to the Wise Owl. Imagine that is the year 2030. The most popular singer is sitting at his computer and playing with this program. Choose the song emotion. Sad. Select sadness level, 80%. Select the vocal range interval, F3 G5. Select style, pop, tempo, ballad, lyrics theme, breakup, language, English. Optional, select the favorite interval, ascending jump, minor sixth. Press to create a new hit. Do you think this scenario will really happen? To me, it's a matter of answering to three questions. The first question, can you write without any inspiration? We humans at least start from a spark, a melodic or harmonic idea. But knowing all the composition techniques that help to create more melody, and the rules of functional harmony, meaning how chords are built, how they move in a key and which chord tones, so melody, support this movement, can allow computers to create pleasant music without any inspiration. The second question, can you quantify music elements into emotion? Super important, as we listen to music mainly because of the feelings music evokes. I think that this can be done if the company developing this computer program will run a survey to ask people about their mood for a list of songs and song parts. Then specialists will analyze the composition, melody, rhythm, intervals, harmony and so on, and will make an algorithm to combine these music elements to recreate the specific mood. The third question, will computers be able to add lyrics in many languages, not only English? Well, I think this will not be easy. Will computers access a large database and take bits of lyrics from many songs to create a compilation that makes sense as a whole? It could be a solution. Of course, it would be easier for the program to create a song if the singer has got already the lyrics. So now let me know in the comments your inputs on this as well. In a world of music created by computers, how will the songs positively differentiate from each other and actually become hits? Thanks for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe and check out my channel to understand music like never before. The Wise Owl salutes you.